coming to check out today's video. So this video is a synthetic wig review. It's a wig that I'm super duper excited about. It is from Outre, and this unit was sent to me by Glamourtress. So thank you so much, Glamourtress, for sending over this unit. Let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let me say it one more time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because you guys are watching, but you're not subscribing. So make sure you do that, all right? All right, so this unit that we have is Outre. It's a lace front wig. This unit is called Soraya, and I do have her in S1B30. I've never tried this color from Outre before, but I definitely wanted to give it a try for this style. I tried two other wigs that looked a lot similar to this unit. The other ones were, man, I can't remember what the name of those wigs were, but I will leave, Amara and Chelsea or something. I can't remember, but I will leave those reviews in the information bar down below. The wigs definitely look similar to this one. Here is Soraya. I love the name of this unit too. Outre has really good names for their wigs. I like the color mix on this one too. It's very subtle. I'm always nervous to get the colors that are called like S1B something because I always feel like it's going to be like piano stripes, and I hate that in wigs, but this is a really pretty blend. It looks like a loose wave. There's a comb, two combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and you do have your long lace parting. This lace part is super long, and you do have some lace around the edge to work with as well. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and come back with the unit on my head. So as you can see, putting it on, like straight off the back, it looks really natural, okay? Like without doing anything to it, any baby hairs, anything. It just looks really natural. The other wigs were like that too. I didn't have to do any baby hairs or anything for those other two. So I'm not sure what Outre is doing, but I'm liking it because these wigs just look bomb, you know, without really too much manipulation. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a wide tooth comb and just comb this out. So this unit is literally fire. I kind of was sleeping on this one, but I really love this unit. This is an effortless wig. This wig is bomb straight out the pack. This wig flows and falls so pretty. This I feel like is the perfect beginner friendly wig. This wig would be perfect for someone who's just trying out wigs but wants to add some extra drama, because this wig is definitely long. This is how long it comes to. But it's not too many curls. It's not too much lace to worry about. It's not a lot of blending and things that you need to do. This wig is just fire straight out the pack. So anybody who's like used to wearing sew-ins and things like that and may just want, you know, an option to go to in between their installs or whatever, I think this is a really great beginner friendly wig. Let me turn around so you can see this unit from all sides. So Soraya definitely gets a A1 from me. I really like this unit. I love Outre. I'll say it time and time again. I love them for your workhorse everyday units. For your units that just have to slay and are super easy, I love Outre for that. So, you know, this one definitely did not let me down. As far as the texture on this unit, is definitely a light yaki. And I would say that the texture on this one is better than the other two, Amara and can't remember the name of the other one. Maybe it was Chelsea or something, but I'll leave it there. Yeah, I do like the texture on this one better. It's not tangling. Amara was definitely like a little tangly, and so was the other one. Like something was a little off about the texture. I think I mentioned it in the video as well. The texture on those, it just didn't feel like soft and smooth, but this one feels very smooth. It doesn't feel as rough as the other two, so I definitely like the texture of this one better. And I love the waves. I love the curl pattern on this. It's really pretty. These are the type of waves that are like hard for me to get on my own. So I love when units come with waves like this, because I feel like these are the type of waves that you spend all day long wand curling your hair. It takes forever to wand curl long hair like this. And then when you brush it out, it looks like it wasn't even worth the trouble of doing all that work. So I love my synthetic units for that. Like they just come styled and ready to go. You don't have to spend hours curling hair. So yeah, I love it. Tell me what you guys think, and make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.